Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download Windows 10 ISO file legally. I know this topic is very common on internet, but do you know? Due to lack of information, majority of people are downloading Windows 10 ISO file from torrent site or any other site instead of Microsoft website. Plus, they are also downloading older version of Windows 10 ISO file. So I believe after watching this video, you won't going to download Windows 10 ISO file from torrent website anymore. As well as you will always going to get the latest version of Windows 10 ISO file. So let's get started. So what you have to do is simply go to the description of this video by clicking on this show more button and then simply click on this website link over here. This is my website. Okay, scroll down little bit, not too much. So under this download link section, you will going to find this media creation tool. Click on it. With the help of this tool, you will able to download your ISO file. Simply click on this download tool now. So as you can see, this program file size is 18.2 MB. Simply click on this save file. Okay, now you can close the browser and double click to open the tool. Just wait for a minute. Sometimes it takes longer than a minute to get ready. It's normal. Now here, this is the important part of this video. Kindly read the Microsoft software license terms properly. If you agree with their license terms, then click on accept. Again, wait for a minute. To get an ISO file, you must have to choose the second option. Create installation media like USB flash drive, DVD or ISO for another PC. Then click on next. Now here you have three different options. First one is for language, second one is for edition, and the last one is for architecture. As you can see, by default English United States is selected. I am okay with that. Unfortunately, there is no any other edition to select. You have to select Windows 10. Now in architecture you have three options. If you select first option 32-bit, then you will get 32-bit ISO file which will be around 3.87 GB. Same thing with second option 64-bit option. You will get only 64-bit ISO file which will be around 3.80 GB. But if you decide to choose both options, then you will be going to get both architecture 64-bit as well as 32-bit architecture OS inside one ISO file, which will be around 6 or 7 GB file size. So it's a quite huge file. You have to decide which file will be better for you. In my case, I am selecting 32-bit. Now since we want ISO file, we have to select ISO file option. Then click on next. Now at last we have to select the location where we want ISO file to be downloaded. Now after selecting the location, click on save. Now sit back and wait until download complete. I am fast forwarding this part only. Now you are ready to burn your ISO file to DVD, or you can make a bootable Windows also. If you are interested to know how to make bootable Windows, then kindly check the description. I am leaving that video link over there. So that's all. I hope you find this video informative. Click on like button to show me your support. Comment below if you having any questions regarding this video. I will try my best to help you. Share this video with your friends and family member, whoever you like to share. It is totally free. And if I forget to mention something in this video, then I will add it in description box below. So always check the description. At last, make sure to subscribe my channel as well as press that bell button to get notified whenever I make new videos for you. And kindly visit my website www.immrhelper.com. Link is in description box below. All the social website links are in description box below, so kindly check the description. I am regularly adding new content in my website, so kindly visit my website and let me know what do you think about it. So that's all. Take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.